So hey guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to make your thumbnails look like cascade. So I'm gonna put the screen recording in 3, 2, 1. So the apps that we're gonna use today is Picsart and Phonto. So first we wanna go to Picsart. Press the plus button, then go to color backgrounds and pick this one, then go to next, save. Once you save, you go to Phonto. Photo albums, go to the picture that we did, press done, add text. Then the font we're going to use is Burbank Big Condensed Black. I'm going to put the download link in the description below. So I'm going to put is how to make thumbnails. Go to style, go to create color pattern, put it at vertical, then you can choose what color you want. I'm gonna do orange up there. And do that, so press apply. Go to stroke, pick the white one, do it like 7, then go to style, go to shadow, then you do it like this, press done, put it right there. I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna do like K, done. Put it. I'm gonna make this bigger one. Right there. Style. Go to create color pattern. I'm gonna do this purple. So there. Go to vertical. Apply, go to stroke, pick white, do it 8, go to style, go to shadow, I'm gonna do it like this, so done. I'm gonna make it bigger a little bit. So you want to save it as a PNG. So we're gonna save it as PNG. And we want to go back to Picsart. Plus button again, then you're gonna choose what picture you want to use for the thumbnail. I'm gonna use this one from Cascade's Instagram account. Go to tools, crop, go to 16 by 9. I'm gonna put it right there, apply. Then we'll go to sticker. I'm gonna put a picture of myself in it. Cutouts. Put a picture of myself. Right there. Border. I'm gonna do it 10. sticker. I'm gonna add the picture of Cascade. So go to border, do it again. I'm gonna press apply if you're done. So right there, don't press apply, press the plus button. Then go to text. Usually puts emojis, so I'm gonna put emoji in it. So go butterfly. Move down. So right there. There. Do like that, then we'll press plus again, go to add photo. You want to do we did the picsart, put it right there. There, that I'm gonna add this chat bubble I made. I'm gonna put the download link in the description below. Press add. I'm gonna put it right here. Then I noticed in his thumbnails he puts this fire thing in the side, so I'm going to do that. Make it a bit bigger. Go to blend, go to lighten, do it like this. Right there. You want to press apply. Then you want to go to effects. Then go to HDR, and you can do what you want. I'm gonna do it like this. It's sharp, put it around 35. Around 40. If you want to saturate it a bit more, go to colors and do it. I'm going to saturate it a bit. Do it 70. Right there, press apply. Go next and save the picture. So you're pretty much done. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button and leave a like. So